Hey guys, Josh with Ace Appliance. I thought I'd take a minute and just show you a very easy way to run down some parts for your washer or dryer. Save you a ton of money too. This is a perfect example of where to find parts that are cheap but also good quality. A lot of websites out there charge you an arm and a leg, and best place to get them in my opinion is Amazon with Prime shipping, or even eBay if you can wait just a little bit longer. In this case, on this washer, I can't wait. I need something ASAP. It's Thursday. Saturday is about the longest I'm going to be able to wait. Now, I've already ordered the part, and it will be here Saturday. That's with that Prime shipping on Amazon, but I thought, I'd do a video real quick, show some people who need to track down some parts and have nowhere to look and don't know where to start. In this case, on this particular washer, it's just a couple years old, but it needs a new plate. What has happened here, the bolt came loose and then allowed some play, which wore this out in here. So this whole plate needs to be replaced, because once it's down on here, it just spins. And obviously it's not supposed to do that. So the whole plate needs to be replaced. Found the bolt, I have the cap, so just the plate's all I need. So where do we start? How do we find that plate? You cannot just go on Amazon and type in Maytag Bravo's agitator plate. You'll get like 40 different options. So let me show you what you do. I grab my phone, I come right over here to the model number. I will take a picture of it. Okay, and then I take that picture. You got your model number there. Now if you just walk with me here, I go to my computer setup, and you could do this all from your phone. It's just a little bit easier if not bouncing back and forth between the screens here. All right, Amazon. So I've got Amazon ready, but the first place I'm gonna go, and there's a few different sites, but the one I like the most is Appliance Parts Pros. Type that in, it's the first thing that pops up, Appliance Parts Pros, and they're asking for the model number. So we've got MVWB755DW0. Okay, and we're gonna hit go. And hopefully you're seeing everything I'm seeing there. It's got diagrams that says basically what part of the washer are you working on. We're working on this part here where the agitator is. I don't know if you can see that, but the plate's right there. So if we click on this part, it's going to tell us that that agitator plate right there is part number 6. So we'll scroll down. Part number 6, there it is, wash plate, $126.29, and it's in stock. So what I do is I click on the part number. Now there's their part number, appliancepartspros.com, their part number. So if you search that on Amazon, you're probably not gonna find anything. So you scroll down here, you get cross-reference information, part number. Now here's the part number from Whirlpool, or Maytag in this case. They're the same now, same company. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna go back over to Amazon. Now we're gonna search for that OEM part number. We'll hit go. Now, here it is. This is the plate. There's lots of different options. I'll show you the one that I bought. I bought this one right here because it'll be here on Saturday, 2 days from now, and it's late. So that's great. It's more like 1 day shipping. So we make sure the part number is the same, 2814. That's what we searched for, 2814. I always check the reviews. And there goes my air pump. Okay, back at it here. This one has no cap included, and that's fine. I have the cap, I have the bolt, I just need the plate. So like I said, I'll check the reviews and all that and make sure it's gonna be here on time. And it says this stuff, don't order the part based on the picture alone. Make sure your part numbers match up. Otherwise, there's so many different variations of this plate. You have to make sure you're getting the right part number. Now you can do this little trick. You can go back over here. If you were looking, let's say you didn't need the wash plate, and you were after, there's so many different things here. The little nut spinner. We can go back up here to the diagrams. Just to give you an example, maybe I can go back up here. Hold on. You can also look by if your lid will not open. Maybe you need the lock switch. Of course, now it's not showing it to me, but anyway, you can look up all your different parts on here, grab that OEM part number, switch back over to Amazon or eBay, and try to look it up. Now, eBay, let's just go there real quick, because eBay, you might even be able to find it cheaper, but you're probably looking at 3 or 4 days shipping. And a lot of times it used to be you could find stuff a lot cheaper and it was worth a few days shipping, but nowadays it's about the exact same price. I mean, it's actually more expensive on eBay. You don't get the 2-day shipping. So, they're kind of neck and neck now. I just prefer that prime shipping, get it in 2 days. Or in this case, like I said, it's more like a day because it's 10:30 at night. I ordered that about 20 minutes ago and I'm still going to get it on Saturday. Yeah, so man, I hope that helps some people out. Obviously, you could have spent $126 for that part, and you would have made those guys real happy. Or you could have spent $40 on it. And so, when I saw that myself, I see that all the time, but now that I'm doing these videos trying to help some people out, save some money, I thought, man, that's something some people will want to know about. So, if this video helped you out, if you appreciate the information, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos like this, trying to save some people some money and get your appliances working. These new prices for new appliances, they're just going through the roof. So I've kind of felt compelled to get on here and show some people how to fix their stuff and how to do that at the best possible value, and get your laundry washed and dried. You can't really do the laundromat anymore, especially the way things are right now. So thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.